We are connecting the capillaries, as you can see. This is capillary connection. We are making connection to the capillaries. As you can see, we are done with this. Installation in progress. Now we are back connecting the outboard machine to the AC system that will power it. As you can see, work in progress. First of all, we are going to connect the up one. We are going to connect the upper layer, and this compressor at the top connects the upper layer of the machine, which is the upper layer of the machine. You can see that's what we are about to connect. You can see we have already arranged the tools. Now we are about to connect it. This is the installation process of the upper layer. We are still gassing the system. As you can see, it's cool, but it's not yet. It's extra hot. That means it's extra hot, meaning we need to check the condenser. The fan is blowing fine. That means we need to flush the condenser. You can see the layers. This one is already coming. The upper one and this one. This one is already coming. What might be the cause is from the diesel is coming. You can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the down one. We are still gassing the system. Installation process of the upper layer almost getting completed. It's returning fine. We on it, IceMan-Tech. Our work on our one touch. You know they do trial and error. You see, cool. We don't do trial and error. Our work is one touch. One touch, everything don't work. Now installation of the second badge. Still on the same machine. We are still topping the gas. It's coming bit by bit. It's coming bit by bit. Everything is okay. It's coming bit by bit. IceMan-Tech, or I work on a sharp one touch. As the place they show, it's coming. It's still coming. Yes, this is the second layer. And so the second sector of this machine, because this machine is 10 layers. We are done with the up one, the up sector. Now we are on the second sector. It's coming up bit by bit. We are working on it.